Have you ever tried making hummus only to end up with a grainy, chunky texture? I've been there, and it can be really disappointing after using fresh ingredients. After testing several models at home, I found that choosing the best blender for hummus makes a huge difference. A strong motor and smooth blending create creamy results with less effort. In this video, I'll share honest thoughts, what worked best, and what's worth your money. Keep watching to find the right one for your kitchen. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender. One feature that really stood out during my testing were the pre-programmed blending cycles. They made everyday tasks much easier. I could make smoothies in the morning, creamy hummus for lunch, and hot soup at dinner without guessing the right speed. The Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender handled each job with very little effort. The large 75-ounce four-side jar created a strong vortex, so I did not need to stop and stir the ingredients. That saved both time and cleanup. I also liked how solid and powerful the motor felt, even with frozen fruit and thick blends. The only downside is the price. It costs more than many home blenders. It can also be louder than expected during heavy blending. Still, if you want reliable performance and simple controls, this blender is a great long-term choice for busy kitchens. Number 4. Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender. After using the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender, I quickly noticed how easy it made daily cooking. The 625-watt motor with 5 speed settings is the feature I liked most. It gave me better control for soups, sauces, smoothies, and baby food. I could blend hot soup right in the pot without moving it to another container. That saved time and reduced cleanup. The ergonomic handle felt comfortable, even during longer use. I also liked the long cord because it gave me more freedom in the kitchen. The blade handled frozen fruit and cooked vegetables with ease. It's not the best choice for making large batches because it's a hand blender. Still, for quick meals and small servings, it works very well. It feels strong, reliable, and easy to use every day for most home cooks. Number 3. Ninja Kitchen System All-in-One Food Processor and Blender. I used the Ninja Kitchen System All-in-One Food Processor and Blender for smoothies, salsa, and pizza dough. It handled every task with ease. The 1500-watt motor and all-in-one design impressed me most. It crushed ice fast and blended frozen fruit into smooth drinks with ease. The food processor bowl also chopped vegetables evenly and mixed dough in seconds. I liked having the single-serve cups for quick morning smoothies. They saved time on busy days. The controls were simple, and switching between attachments was easy. The blender is large, so it needs extra counter space. It's also a bit loud when crushing ice. Even so, the strong performance makes those small issues easy to accept. If you want one machine for blending, chopping, mixing, and meal prep, this Ninja Kitchen System is a smart and reliable choice. Number 2. Vitamix A3300 Ascent Series Smart Blender. I tested the Vitamix A3300 Ascent Series Smart Blender for smoothies, soups, and nut butter. It gave smooth and consistent results every time. The built-in wireless connectivity and programmable timer stood out most. The blender adjusted to the container size on its own and stopped when the timer ended. That made blending simple and stress-free. I also liked the touchscreen controls because they were easy to clean after each use. The 64-ounce container was perfect for family meals without taking up too much space. The motor felt powerful and handled tough ingredients with ease. The only downside is the high price. It's also more than some casual users may need. Still, if you want a smart blender with strong performance and long-term value, this Vitamix model is an excellent investment for any busy kitchen. Number 1. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. I used the Ninja BL610 Professional Blender for smoothies, frozen drinks, and homemade sauces. It worked better than I expected. The 8,000-watt motor with total crushing technology is the feature that impressed me most. It crushed ice into fine snow within seconds and blended frozen fruit into smooth drinks with ease. The large 72-ounce pitcher was great for making enough for the whole family. I also liked that the pitcher was dishwasher safe, so cleanup was quick. The recipe guide gave me a few fun ideas to try. The blender is a little loud when crushing ice, and it can take up extra counter space. Still, those are small trade-offs for the strong performance. If you want a powerful blender for daily use, this Ninja model offers excellent value, reliable results, and simple operation every time. Final verdict. After testing these models, I found that the Vitamix A3300 Ascent Series Smart Blender is my personal favorite and the best blender for hummus overall. It delivers smooth, creamy results with powerful performance, smart features, and excellent consistency. If you make hummus often and want premium quality, this blender is worth the investment. If you want a more budget-friendly option, I recommend the Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. It offers impressive blending power, crushes tough ingredients with ease, and gives great value for the price. It's a solid choice for everyday use without spending too much. Check the description for current prices and more details, and pick the one that fits your style and need best.